Hello food lovers, today we are going to turn plain rice into a simple and delicious carrot rice using very basic ingredients. This recipe is easy, affordable and perfect if you have leftover rice at home. Let's get cooking. Things first, we're going to prepare our rice and cook it like plain. There is a video that I will share down here. Please watch until the end for you to see the video of how to prepare plain rice. And I started by heating some oil in a pan on medium heat, just enough oil. Going to add in our chopped onions, and cook until soft. And now we are going to add in our garlic. It helps with taste and of course personality now. We are going to add in our grated carrot. Now we are going to add in salt and Royco powdered, that one helps with taste but also and flavor. But also remember, when you're adding in salt, please do a little bit of tasting, because this, whether it's Royco or Royco cube, comes with a little bit of salt in it. And now I'm going to make sure that our carrots cook until it softens. So I wanted the vanilla taste. I added in a little bit of Blue Band that has, the vanilla taste. Just a little bit extra. And now we are going to add in our rice, the one we had prepared earlier. And we're going to mix everything together gently. So we're going to mix it slowly so that the rice stays fluffy and it doesn't break. We're going to let it cook, for a few minutes so that all the flavors come together. Remember, low heat. And this is my simple carrot rice. Colorful, flavorful, and very easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, comment, and subscribe for more easy meals. Let me know in the comments how you like your rice. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, food lovers.